So I just built this for a real estate agency. It took me like a few minutes. Antigravity and Nano Banana made it super easy. And honestly, if you want me to build something like this for your business, just book a call. Link is in the description below. It takes like 20 minutes and we can figure out what you need. But if you're curious how I actually did this, keep watching. So first, what you will have to do is to pretty much find the inspiration for your website's design. And I highly recommend this website, dribble.com, and I will put a link for it in the video description down below so you guys can easily follow this process. Now, here on the right, you will find time frame, and let's sort this by this past week. And if you want, you can also put in here the tags, for example, SaaS, maybe even agency or something. And then you can also put in your color, for example, green or purple. Now, let's scroll here down below and let's find one really cool one. For example, this one right here, luxury real estate website UI. Here, I don't want to copy the whole design. I will copy this part of the image. So this is really nice house. So here I will just screenshot this part of the website. So something like this. Let's click here on enter to take a screenshot. And now we will regenerate our own version of this villa. So how can we do that? Let's go here to the Google AI Studio. I will also put this link in the video description down below, by the way. Here on the right, make sure that you have Nano Banana selected. This one is completely for free. And then make sure that you change the aspect ratio here to 16:9. This is super important. And then here down below, click on plus and select your screenshot. Now here, as you can see, I have my screenshot uploaded. Now let's ask here Nano Banana, modify this villa to a jungle environment, make it pop out of the image, and the contrast between the villa and background is huge. So something like this. And then let's click here on run. And now let's wait for Nano Banana to cook. By the way, if you need a brand new website, check out the link in the video description where you guys can book a call with me. It takes like 15 minutes and then we can sort out something together. So here, once you have the website, you will want to go here, click on the download. I think that this image actually does look really good. And now we will have to animate this image. So this is my website. I think it looks pretty well. It has this really nice animated background. It has even this strip which is animated. And then here also this text, which also changes like homes. Then we have estates and stuff like that. Now, if we scroll here down below, we have featured listings, off market, new listing, for example, and the prices next to it. And of course, we have here the location as well. Then we have here the residential sales and stuff like that. And down below, we have the client stories or testimonials. And you can also find here the form where you can send an inquiry. And I think that overall the website looks pretty damn good. So you can see here this animated video here on the hero page. So how can you do this? You can go here to Kling AI. And here I recommend that you use Video 3.0 model. And then here, make sure that you upload the image here from the Google Nano Banana. It's right here. So let's click on the add start frame. So now I have here my start frame. The last thing which we need is also the prompt. So for example, here is my previous prompt for my previous video. Create a cinematic 11-second hero background video based on an image of a luxury villa in the jungle. Structure and timing 0 to 4 seconds slow smooth reveal of the villa. Generate camera push in or pan. And by the way, I will also put this prompt I used for this specific video in the video description down below. And you can see also here the preview which Kling 3.0 actually generated for me. I think it looks super clean here. Unfortunately, it does have here the watermark in the bottom right corner, but you guys can easily remove it with the pro account here on Kling.ai. So once you have here the video from Kling, you want to click here on the download button and save it to your computer. So here's the next step. You will have to go here to the dashboard.mux. I will also put this link in the video description down below. Here, click on create a new asset and upload this MP4 file you got from Kling. Now it should look something like this at the end of the day. And let's take a look at the preview. And this is the link you will pretty much paste inside the Antigravity editor. Now there's one last thing you will have to do before creating your website inside Antigravity. And that is this skill, which I found on GitHub. It's called Taste Skill. And what this skill will actually do, it's pretty much a collection of skills that improve how AI tools write front-end code. Instead of generating generic, boring interfaces, the AI builds modern premium designs with proper animations, spacing, and visual quality. Now, here's also Taste Skill version 2 beta, and it's also in the development. But right now we people still here use this first version. So make sure that you copy here the link. And now we can go inside Antigravity. So here inside the Antigravity, I have this folder. And now here on the right, I'm using Gemini 3 Flash. So here I'm going to ask Antigravity, please use this skill. And I'm gonna paste here this link inside. So it will pull the MD skill from this GitHub page, and make sure that you build a website for real estate agency. Use all modern design principles in 2026. So super easy, super simple. And now here, I'm also going to go back to Mux. And now here inside the Mux, you will have to copy the link. So let me show you how you guys can also do this. And now here on the Mux website, you will have to go under the play your first video, click on share a watch page, and copy the link. Now, once you copy it, you can paste it here inside your browser. And this is what you're going to see. The most important part here of the link is this ID of this specific video. Now, let's continue here with the anti-gravity, where I'm gonna ask here once again, include this Mux link as a hero video. The video is the main part of the website. And this is pretty much this simple prompt I gave to the Gemini 3 Flash. Now let's just wait for a few seconds until Google actually finishes cooking. So now we have here the implementation plan from Gemini 3 Flash. So pretty much 2026 luxury real estate website, build a state-of-the-art real estate agency website, Auden Estates, following the taste skill and soft skill directives for ultra premium design. You can see no AI purple, asymmetric layouts, liquid motion, modern typography. So this is pretty much what we want, right? And here you can see for the hero section, we have full screen Mux video background using the link. So I'm fine with that. So right now I'm gonna click here on proceed, and let's just wait for a few seconds. And honestly, if you want me to build something like this for your business, just book a call. Link is in the description. It takes 20 minutes and we can figure out what you pretty much need. So this is our first iteration of the website. You can see clearly that it doesn't play the video here, which we of course want. But overall, the design of the website, I think it's pretty damn good. So right now, one thing which I will do here is to go back to Mux, and I will once again copy this link like this, and I will go back here to anti-gravity, and I will ask it, please make some changes, remove brown typography color and replace it with green color or shades of green. And currently the hero video is not playing. Fix that as well. And I will place here the Mux video with the ID. Click here, send, and now let's just wait for Gemini 3 Flash. Now, this is something we just got here, and I think it does look pretty well, especially this navigation bar looks pretty damn good. And then here down below, we have also social links. And yeah, this is just one variation of this website with this animation background. Now, you can also see here my first one. This one looks slightly different, and I think this one also looks pretty damn good. So yeah, this is how you guys can generate websites with the MP4 file as your hero. Now, once you've done that, you will go, of course, to the dashboard of your GitHub, create your repository, and make sure that you push this website to the repository, and then you can publish it here on the Vercel.com. So I think that this is pretty much it, and I will put every single tool I mentioned in today's video linked below in the video description. And honestly, if you want me to build something like this for your business or for yourself, just book a call. Link is in the description, by the way, and it just takes 20 minutes and we can figure out what you pretty much need. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.